Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's Tristan, and today in this video I got a fire review for you all right here, man. Sorry to grab these down here like that. I should have put them up here, but today what we're going to be discussing, you guys, is we're going to be getting into the Mars Yard 3.0. As you guys can see, these are coming soon, man. I believe actually they've already started shipping. Well, they actually already have started shipping some pairs. This one's from the ISRU summer camp, right? But that has ended, at least now, right? Some people have started getting their pairs, and you guys can see we do have one right here with the box, everything. I'll show you all the extra insoles, all that they come with too, because there's actually a few extra details on these we got to get into. So we'll discuss that, show you all everything with these, because keep in mind, there's not going to be a sneakers release for these. It's basically only like these store locations. I'll pop it up on the screen real quick, and yeah, that's really it. So the release is very, very small for these, so it's going to be very, very hard to get a pair for retail. But we luckily got one for a decent deal right here. I think someone honestly just hit me up with an invoice, and I was like, oh shoot, all right. So yeah, we just paid a little fee on top of that. So got a great deal on these. Very, very happy about that. Let's get into it. If anybody needs some 10.5 new, let me know. Hit my IG. But yeah, if you guys want more content like this, feel free to subscribe and like down below. Do not forget the normal goal that we always shoot for is 300 likes. So if you could do that, that'd be great. If you guys want to, again, check out my IG. Again, we post tons of stuff for sale on my story. We got reels, content. We got some early photos coming for these. So if you like staying tuned with any of that stuff, feel free to follow me down below. If not, no worries. Make sure you guys also check the Whatnot Lives down below. We try and go live there daily. So if you guys want to check that out, come shop with us. Hey, we got the Instagram. We got there. We got a website coming soon. Stay tuned, guys. We try to post a little bit of everywhere. So hope to see you guys there. And that's really everything I need to say. I hope y'all will enjoy it. And let's get into the Mars Yard 3.0. I guess maybe slightly early review, on time review. I don't know. Let's get into it. It's a weird release. So the first thing we're going to discuss, again, we will get into the shoe in a second. I'm just going to set these literally. Okay, hopefully my sound's good. I've knocked over my mic there. But basically, we're going to show all the box first instead of me knocking over everything. So you guys can see the box right here. That all red look with the Nike Craft logo right there. You guys can see, again, that design work on the front right there. Pretty normal. You've seen this again. I think we even saw this on like the general purpose shoe box. You know what I mean? So this isn't anything too out of the ordinary. But you guys can see then we start getting to some unique details. You guys see it says Tom Sachs, so the Mars Yard Grade 3.0. Nike Craft, and you guys can see the box label right there and everything with it. So those are some of the box details. As you guys can see, we'll go to the bottom as well. Oh, we got some writing here. Take a look. So these shoes are only valid if worn and worn to death by you. Posers need not apply. Sorry, my apologies. I cannot read. Hey, well, if these are my size, I would tell them, Mr. Sachs, I apologize. They're not my size, but aside from that, you guys can see that's the box pretty much. So aside from that, you guys can see some more details. This is again another normal thing we see it with a lot of Nike Craft collabs or Tom Sachs collabs. This writing right here. So this isn't anything again too out of the ordinary. It just kind of explains like what Nike Craft is, and we'll get into it from right here. So another detail on the inside of the box, as you guys can see right there, maybe little pencils, I believe, like pencil tops, right? Maybe I'm wrong on that. Or it looks like pen caps, or like, you know what I'm saying, like the top of a pencil. Maybe I'm wrong about that right there, but that's what I translate with that at least. But aside from that, now we're gonna start getting into, oh, and just so y'all know, official. There you go. We got y'all with the official every time, straight from the studio. Hey, we got you guys. So shout out to them for the quick shipping too. I did not expect that, but as you guys can see, one of the unique insoles. Again, you can choose to wear this one if you want to, or if you don't like that one, again, we got two. So I'll show you all the regular insoles they come with, but they also have these two. So there's multiple unique insoles. So that's one of them right here. As you guys can see, crazy details in that. I'll show you all the top of the insole right there, heading to the bottom. Same with this one. Let me not drop it. Sorry, I'm about to drop it. Here you go. You can see the details right there on that one as well. So just some really, really nice details on this pair. I like what we got. Again, these are my dad's size, so I don't know, maybe he'll want them or something, but I am not sure yet. We'll have to see. So aside from that, it is a pricey shoe. He'll probably say pass, but aside from that, you guys can see what we got right here. He's got some of the other general purpose ones. Those ones are actually really nice. I really like the regular general purpose ones. These are nice, but some of those regular like general purpose ones, bro, they're so comfy. But I'm getting off topic. So aside from that, getting into, let me set the box down because these are it's a bit heavy. So aside from that, getting into the actual shoes right here, as you guys can see, you all can see, let me not repeat myself too much, the red swoosh though, on the kind of white cage look, you guys can see that blends in very nicely. And again, kind of that brown suede look. I guess it is kind of a lighter suede material. It's on the toe box as well, as you guys can see. And these are exactly, again, like the 1.0, 2.0. I'm not really noticing too much different. You guys can see by the heel right here as well. Here also, take a look, guys. So Very, very nice pair. You guys can see the laces are unique as well. They got kind of like a rope texture to them. Like, I don't know if you guys can see that, but like they have some texture on them. Like, if you were to feel them, you would, it's like a, I don't know, it's like a texture. You'd feel something, basically, is what I'm saying. So, aside from that, you guys can see, again, another unique detail on the insoles right there. It's kind of a cork look. So, again, the exact same design that we saw on the other insoles, but they're going with an all cork look. Sorry, you can see we got a little tag right there, but you flip that up, right? Look at this. It's an all cork look on the insoles. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's the exact same design that we saw on the other ones. But look, they're all cork. So keep that in mind. It's like a top of a wine bottle or something. I don't even know. But I don't drink wine. But aside from that, you guys can see the top of the tongue tag right there. Again, OG Nike logo. Very, very clean. Can't go wrong with that. And the soles on these as well. Another detail right here. Brand new. Look at that on board. Look at that carbon fiber right there. And I don't know if that's a new detail, but I like that. Again, carbon, you know, these are going to last you some time. Carbon fiber right there. It's very, very nice. And the top of the toe box right there, that all black leather look. I'm not sure if I'm a fan of that, but I don't really, again, I don't mind it. It'll keep the shoe clean, you know what I mean? So, and help it hold itself together, you know what I'm saying? So, sorry, I did not put my words together right there, but yeah, it's going to help hold the shoe together, basically, is what I'm saying. So, that's a good detail right there. I like what we got with that. So, aside from that, again, very wearable sneaker, good colorway. Don't feel like you can go wrong with these here. We'll stack them up like this. We're going to do some B-roll shots in a second as well to show everything up close. But again, as you guys can see, a very, very nice sneaker in hand. And I'm excited for more people to get their pairs of these. But if anybody needs them, hit my IG 10.5 new OGO, as we've shown y'all here. But clean pair. So aside from, again, another detail right here, you guys can see kind of, again, almost like a, how can I put this? I've seen this on some other, like, Jordans. It's like it's not like wax. No, it's not wax, but yeah, it's like a, I don't know, kind of like, almost like not aged look, but yeah, kind of like a yellowing look to it. I don't know. It's good though, you know what I mean? It's not like, how could I put it? It doesn't look bad on the shoe. So I'm trying to like find the actual word for it. If someone wants to help me down below, I'd appreciate that. That's what we got with the Tom Sachs 3.0s, man. The Mars Yards, very, very nice pair. So we're going to get to showing y'all again everything these come with, just a little bit up close without me talking over it. So the box, both the unique insoles, laces, all that. And then we'll get into the outro from there. But yeah, let me know what y'all are feeling about this pair just off the view you have right now. For me, I really like what we got with these in hand, man. It's a clean pair. And I mean, again, I do, of course, think, you know, thousands and thousands of dollars for it is crazy. But if that's what it's going for, hey, that's what we're charging. So 10.5, hit me up. All right. That's it. But we'll see. Again, I'm blanking, but we'll just see what these look like right now with some B-roll shots without me talking over it. I'm tired. Let's get into it. anyways, guys, that's pretty much what I can say about the Tom Sachs Mars Yard 3.0. So let me know how y'all are feeling about this sneaker right here. Again, I feel like these are super wearable. Of course, wearable, but going for thousands of dollars. So towing these is kind of like a holdup, you know, unless you hit it for retail, you know, you really got to think about it, you know what I mean? Because, like, these are pricey. But, yeah, if you hit them for retail, I would have no problem with towing them. If I had them for retail, I would have definitely been like, okay, these are going to the tow. But these are not my size, so that's just a dream for now. But, again, let me know what you guys are thinking about this pair back here. For me, I think, again, it's a very wearable sneaker. Don't feel like you can go wrong with these. They'll obviously last you some time. Just, I mean, you can take one look at them and you're like, okay, this is a bulky, chunky sneaker, but it feels light in hand. So it's light, but it's got a chunky build to it. So it's like, how could I put this? It's going to last. It's a good shoe. So, again, let me know how y'all feeling down below in the comments. If you want more content like this, feel free to subscribe and like down below. The noble goal that we always shoot for is 300 likes. So if you could do that, that'd be great. And if not, no worries. Just check out my IGs down below or the Whatnot Lives. Don't forget, we've been going live there almost every single day. So check that out. And on Instagram, of course, we try and post content almost every single day. And we post stuff for sale every single day on my story as well. So if you ever want to do business or just see some of the stuff we post early, like, for example, the photos we're going to post early of these today, I think. If we don't post a reel today, then you'll see the early photos for these tomorrow. But yeah, that's pretty much what I can say, man. Just let me know how y'all are feeling about this sneaker. A crazy one in hand. And honestly, just super nice. So we'll post the photos today, probably, I think. And let me know how y'all are feeling. I'm excited that I got up here for a decent deal, though. This has always been one that I've kind of wanted to see in hand, one of the Mars Yards. And even if it's the 3.0, I'll take it. The 1.0 is crazy hard to get, so I'll take these. But that's it, guys. I'll see y'all in the next one tomorrow. Let me know how you guys are feeling about the sneaker in hand. If it is one you will rock, toe, anything like that. And I'll see y'all in the next one tomorrow. Catch me down below or drop a comment, anything like that. I'll get back to you. All right. I'll see y'all then. Peace.